Hey guys, we're here at 7 South. My name is Abo. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our pride and joy, our blueberry and ricotta hotcake. So with this hotcake, we do make everything in-house. So from roasting the pistachios to making our own in-house jams. It does take a little bit longer to make, however, it's all completely worth it. So even though we're getting a new menu, this particular item will be carried through just because of the feedback that we've received from you guys. So thank you very much, and I'm sure the hotcake can say the same.